inauguration of the Juba National Stadium. It is with immense pride that I address you today to share details about this momentous event, the inauguration of the Juba National Stadium, which also, on the same day of the inauguration, there will be a match between Sudan and South Sudan. The inauguration will take place on June 11, 2024. And we are honored to announce that this grand inauguration will be graced by the esteemed presence of our country's beloved President, His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit, and the President of FIFA. Their participation will underscore the significance of this stadium, not only for our country, but also for the global football community. Adding to this excitement of today, we are thrilled to inform you that the World Cup qualifiers match between Sudan and South Sudan will be played on the very same day of the inauguration. This match will mark the stadium's debut as a host for significant international sporting events and symbolizes our nation's growing presence on the global football stage. The National Football Stadium represents a monumental leap forward in our country's sporting infrastructure. It stands as a testament to our enduring dedication to excellence in sports, unity, and the unbreakable spirit of our people. This stadium is designed to accommodate thousands of enthusiastic spectators. It's a symbol of national pride and a beacon for future generations of athletes and fans. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all who have been involved in bringing this vision to life. The Ministry of Youth and Sports, the FIFA for providing the funds for the renovation of this stadium, the South Sudan Football Association for providing leadership, the engineers, the builders, and countless others whose relentless efforts have made this dream a reality. Their hard work and passion are reflected in every corner of this magnificent structure. As we approach this landmark event, we call upon the people of goodwill to support this inauguration morally and as well as materially. Your involvement, contributions, and encouragement are crucial as we prepare for this celebration of national unity and sporting excellence. Together, we can ensure that the inauguration of the National Football Stadium is a resounding success. This stadium is much more than a venue for football. It is a versatile space for various events that will foster community spirit and bring together people from all walks of life. It is a place where dreams will be forged, unforgettable memories will be created, and future champions will rise. Let us all unite in anticipation and make the inauguration on 11th June 2024 a day to remember. A day that signifies our collective strength, pride, and unwavering commitment to the beautiful game of football, highlighted by the thrilling World Cup qualifiers match between Sudan and South Sudan. I welcome you all the South Sudan citizens and people who love South Sudan, to come on that day to give support to our national football team that will be playing against Sudan, our neighbor, and give them the moral support that we need. Thank you, as we eagerly look forward to your support and to seeing you all at the historical event. Thank you. And now, seated by both on my sides is the President of the Football Association and our Director General for Sports, who I will give the chance to add more light to what I have just read. Welcome.